Hello everyone, this is Mashwasta. Welcome back to your YouTube channel cat.m. And today we will learn this model, how to create this model using Extrude tool, and we will also learn the looping system. So let's just get started. And first of all, we have to point out which one is the front view and which one is the top view and how many loops are there. So if we see from this side, this cat.m face, we can see this loop and this line and this loop. So from this idea, we can see that this view is the front view and the shape is there. So in order to extrude it or in order to make it like this feature, we already know that we have to make this complete loop, and we have to extrude it up to this length. So this length we can show it from the top view or the side view, but right now we don't have any side view. We have this top view, so you can see this loop, this loop, this loop, and this loop. Okay, so we can use this sketch and this 30 and create this model first, this loop first. So let's just start it. Go to this front plane and click on the line from here to here, and make it the dimension of 45. You can see this 45, and now we can create this line. This line is the 15, I think, so we can put it like this, like 15. And again we go to this point from here to here, and this line is 20, so we can put dimension of 20 like this. And then we will draw this one. This one is, I think, 10. It is showing here 10, so let's just put it 10. And we actually calculate this line also, but first we will make this line 25 to this, and we dimension it like this. So it is actually 25 because we have used the reference, and we will complete the sketch by closing this one. So I think it is clear. This loop is completed. Now what we need to do, we need to extrude this structure. So we will complete the sketch. We will make sure that this sketch one is selected. We will go to feature, extrude it, and how much is the depth we require? Depth is this length, so this length is 30. So we will put 30 here and complete. Okay, now we have made this lower part, this lower loop, this structure. Now we need to make this one. So how can we make this one? There are two ways. First, we will see the select face, and then we will also see the create plane method. So instead of using instead of creating a plane, we first make this select this face. You can see this face I have selected, and I am going to create a sketch on it. Now make sure that this sketch, this face is in this view, is back view, right? So in order to create this one, we will use the opposite side, right? Because this loop is in this face, this front face. So in the back face, we have this line on this corner like this. So we will put like either like this. And how much is this distance? I think it is 25, it is 45. So this line will be 20. So we will make sure it is 20, and then we will draw another sketch like this, and I think it is 12, so we will put dimension of 12, and we will just close this one like this, right? And we will also close this line. So it will also a complete sketch because all the constraints are defined. So this is a free, and now we can see we can rotate it like this, so you can see that it is same, it is like this. And now we will complete the sketch and click OK and extrude it. Now extrude is showing in this side because we have selected this face in this, so we will just change the reverse direction. And how much is the depth we require? So you can see this is the thickness of this loop, right? So if we delete 10 from 30, we will get 20. So 20 will be the depth. So we will put it like this and create 20 here and extrude it. So I think this structure is completed, and you can see the sketch is completely defined, and also we have achieved this loop. Now in next lecture we will see how to create this drawing in plain mode also. So thank you very much and keep supporting, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.